The chords for the left hand in phrase 1A and 1B are F minor chords. They're played with the keys of A flat, middle C, and F. This is called an F minor chord because an F major chord uses the keys of F, A, C, and this chord has the third of the chord lowered a half step from A to A flat, which transforms the quality of the chord from F major to F minor. No matter which note is on the bottom, these three keys of F, A flat, and C can always be called an F minor chord, even though in the Satie Gnossienne No. 1, we have A flat on the bottom instead of F. Because the third of the triad is on the bottom instead of the root, this is called a first inversion chord. If we played a triad with C on the bottom and F and A flat above it, it would be called a second inversion triad. The F and A flat could be anywhere as long as they're above the C. And it would still be called a second inversion triad. Because we are about to go lower in order to play our low F, play the F minor first inversion chord with a finger 4 on the bottom instead of a finger 5. By putting finger 4 on A flat, you don't have to reach as far to get back down to the low F. Because we have finger 4 on A flat, it would be uncomfortable to put finger 3 on middle C. That would be an excessive stretch between fingers 4 and 3. So, if we have finger 4 on A flat, we place finger 2 on C and finger 1 on F. The hand naturally has its biggest stretch between fingers 1 and 2. So that's why it is not a bad idea to have 1 on F and 2 on C. The chords are written as half notes and quarter notes, and now would be a good time to start learning how to count beats while you play so that your rhythm can be impeccable and that you can develop a perfect steady beat. There's a quarter rest written at the beginning of the piece. That means that the chords are not going to begin at the same time that the left hand plays its low F. We would count beat 1 on those quarter rests, and then say 2 whenever we strike the first left hand chord, say 3 while we wait for the half note to get its full duration, and say 4 while we play the quarter note chord that comes next. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be our beat for our chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever we're playing with the right hand and the left hand at the same time, it's advisable to simplify into a small number of components so that you can concentrate and reduce frustration. Let's try phrase 1A with the right hand and the left hand only playing its chords, not playing its low note. Don't be afraid of playing extremely slowly when trying something unfamiliar. The more comfortable you are with the first steps, the sooner you'll be able to go on to more intermediate stages of learning. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now without counting. Of course, phrase 1B is similar. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever you feel comfortable or perhaps bored with a new segment that you're practicing, you're welcome to speed up a little to provide challenge to your brain again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In addition to speeding up if you become comfortable or bored, that would be a great time to add in challenges like counting while you play, or adding dynamics, or experimenting with dynamics that are not written, and trying to be more creative with the music. I played the right hand louder than the left hand as an experiment. I played the left hand louder than the right hand as an experiment. By doing experiments such as these, you can grow your skill, maintain your interest, and try something new all the time.